In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Trello masterboard. By the end of this guide, you'll have a powerful tool to streamline your workflow, leveraging Trello's capabilities to their fullest. So, let's get started. First things first, you want to log into your Trello account. Begin by clicking on the Login button. If you're using Google for your sign-in, simply click on Google and select the account you wish to use. It's a quick and easy way to access your boards and get right into action. After logging in, navigate to your board. Just head over to the Trello dashboard and find the specific board you're working with. You can access it directly if you have the link handy. Once you're inside, you'll want to enhance your board with power-ups. These are integrations that add more functionality, and for our purpose, we need one specifically. Click on Power Up at the top of your board. Now it's crucial to ensure that Unito is installed. If it isn't, no worries, you can simply search for Unito in the Power Up section and select Mirror Unito. With Unito ready, your next move is to set up Board Sync. Click on it, keeping in mind that this feature helps you connect and manage multiple boards efficiently. Once you've opened Board Sync, it's time to create a flow. Think of this as setting up how your board will connect and synchronize with others, enhancing collaboration and visibility across teams. The next steps involve linking your Trello account. It's important to choose the Trello account you wish to sync. This means selecting the specific account that holds the boards or projects you need to manage. After you've linked your account, it's time to choose which board you want to sync. Be mindful of your choice, as this will determine the data flow between boards. Once your board is selected, go ahead and click on Confirm. This step ensures your selections are saved and everything is ready to proceed. To make sure both boards communicate effectively, click on the two-way arrow to sync them. The dual sync option allows for real-time updates and ensures consistency across boards. With that set, confirm your sync settings again. Next, click on Map Automatically. This feature will help auto-configure the syncing process, mapping out what needs to be shared between boards. Now, it's a good time to check if everything is aligned to your liking. Give the lists across all boards a once-over, confirming that the structure suits your workflow. Satisfied with the setup? Excellent. Click on Confirm to lock in your settings. Keep the momentum going by hitting Continue, and finally, the pièce de résistance, click on Launch Flow. This action activates your synchronization, effectively deploying your Trello masterboard. There you have it, a fully functional Trello masterboard ready to enhance your project management tasks. Thanks for following along, and happy organizing.